says that shopping is boring? We suggest turning it into a funny prank. Buy fish like flip-flops, frighten your friends in a fitting room, and decorate your interior with a flower pineapple. Watch these and other pranks in our new video. The mall is a great fishing spot. Redhead is going to sneak in a unique product on a stand. These are fish flip-flops. Cut off fasteners off the flip-flop belts. Take them out. Attach fish steak pictures to the soles. Cut the soles following the shape of the fish steaks. Cover them with clear tape. Make holes in the pictures at the spots where the belt should be fastened. Put the belts back. Hot glue the fasteners. Cindy goes fishing to catch flip-flops. My salmon flip-flops look very creative compared to other shoes. They are eye-catching. This is a real catch. My friend can't figure out whether it is a shoe shop or a fish department, but the flip-flops remind her of a sea breeze. I'm buying them. I can feel like a mermaid wearing these flip-flops. They are very exclusive. No one on the beach will have flip-flops like mine. We have to make a difficult choice in a mall. Which candies to buy? Fruit or jelly? Or low-calorie? Redhead takes all the candies for herself. She is happy about sharing the yummies. But I find a sweet surprise. A candy choker. How did it get here? Attach crimp connectors to both sides of a rainbow gummy belt. Fasten a chain to each. Attach a jump ring to one side of the choker chain and a lobster clasp to the other. This sweet accessory is found among the other candies, but it turns out that it is the only copy. The rest of the candies are regular. Cindy gets the choker. It's so nice and sweet. You can take it off whenever you like and make your life sweeter. I could do a cute bracelet from my candy, but I'd rather eat it. Redhead has already gone through the entire mall looking for her dream shoes. Because of the shopping fever, she finds herself imagining lovely sneakers. It's a shopping illusion. I need to cool down with an ice cream immediately. I choose my favorite flavor. I will enjoy it now. Oops! What's going on? All of a sudden, the illusion turns real. The ice cream transforms into my dream sneakers. Tape to cover soles. Coat the top with acrylic ground. When dry, apply a crisscross hot glue pattern. Let it look like a wafer cone. Cover the toe with the hot glue, shaping it into melting ice cream. Apply the hot glue wafer pattern to the rest of the sneaker. Paint the wafer cone part beige. Make it more realistic using brown acrylic paint. Color the melting ice cream pink. Make it glossy with clear acrylic lacquer and add some sprinkles. Remove the adhesive tape from the sole when the paint is dry. Wafer sneakers with pink ice cream are the best summer footwear. They look very tasty. It's great that they are not edible. Otherwise, there would be no shoes for me anymore. Moreover, they won't melt under the hot sun and will be an eye candy for a long time. These cute sneakers will leave the sweetest footprints. Cindy is trying on a new top, and there's nothing to worry about. But she's wrong. My pink hand is about to start chasing her. Cut a wire into a few pieces using cutting pliers, 3 long ones and 2 short ones. Apply some hot glue to the end of each piece. Bend the wire into a circle and attach other pieces like fingers to a palm. Put the construction into a rubber glove. Fill it with flour and tie it up. Make triangular notches on a cardboard tube and hot glue them to make one side of the tube narrower. Paint the cardboard tube pink to be of the same color as the glove. Attach press-on nails to the fingers of the glove and hot glue the glove inside the cardboard tube. A pink bodiless hand is stretching out to the girl. Stretching to hand over a hanger. Take it, girl! It is so funny to watch Cindy jump in terror, but the frightening pink hand with nails will find her everywhere, even on a playground. Now it's Cindy chasing me all over the castle. She watches me from the highest tower. I decide to take a pink cabriolet to flee from her, but she still catches me. Cindy seizes my pink hand. Now it's her trophy. We definitely need some flowers on this table for a complete look. Cindy runs away to make a surprise. She seems to have been away for ages, and she comes back with some kind of a flower pot that looks like a fire engine. No, this is way too much. It definitely doesn't match to a decent interior. It looks like my friend is going to bring all the plants from a greenhouse here. She keeps offering different flower arrangements. Cindy is a persistent florist, but Redhead isn't happy with any flower pots. One flower pot looks too boring. Another is too pretentious. At last, her friend finds a creative solution. She brings a flower pineapple. Cut artificial flowers off the stems. Hot glue them to a pineapple. Cover the entire fruit. Finally, Cindy manages to satisfy her friend's refined taste. This blooming pineapple will make a wonderful centerpiece. It will make the interior exclusive. Redhead can't stop admiring Cindy's fruit flower arrangement. Window shopping is our favorite meditation. There are so many things here. Donut earrings, forks and spoons, and a pretty keychain. Trace a logo of a famous brand on gingerbread. Use a food marker. Cut it out with a utility knife. Cover it with edible silver paint. Use edible glue to attach an eye pin with a keychain on top. Redhead scrutinizes the keychain. It smells like real gingerbread. Let's taste it. Mmm! You can eat it without any doubt. But it's a pity that a bitten keychain is not a great decoration for my purse anymore. Let's finish the gingerbread. Cindy has bought a lot of things again. Packages even fall out of her hands. I will try to put my friend's purchases in order with my capacious and creative bag while she's talking on her phone. Cut off sleeves of a t-shirt you don't need anymore. Cut the bottom into strips like wide fringe. Tie up the strips. Pull them up to make fabric rolls. Decorate the bag with felt embellishments. All the stuff will fit into this spacey t-shirt bag. Put it onto your shoulder and free your hand to take a phone. Comfy and handy. Besides, it is eco-friendly as you don't need any plastic bags. Redhead is in a girl's treasure shop. Hairpins, pendants, bracelets. You don't even know where to look first. I will sneak in a necklace made out of natural products for my friend. I bet she won't notice the difference. Attach short pasta into a V shape. Join 4 details together. Cover it with acrylic paint. Thread a bead onto a pin. Cut off the excess. Bend the pin in a hook. Put on a jump ring. Press the pin hook to make a ring. Put a chain on another jump ring and add a lobster clasp. Attach the middle of the chain to the pasta pendant. Coat it with clear acrylic lacquer. Redhead is trying on hairpins, and meanwhile, I hang my eco-friendly necklace on the stand. I should start a pasta jewelry factory. My friend won't pass it by. As I assumed, Redhead doesn't suspect anything, and she decides to buy my creative accessory. Did you like our new pranks? Then write in your comments how you will prank your friends in the mall. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new ideas of funny pranks on the Troom channel.